I get this comment a lot as well of people just, they love Dr. Joe, but they just hate his meditations because they hate his voice. And I completely get it because it took me so long, actually. It took me more than a week to really get into his voice. Like, even when I was already starting to see like little manifestations in my external reality, I was still annoyed at his voice. But after doing research and from what I understand, there is a method to his madness, okay? Like his voice and the way that he yells at you is meant to, like, he's speaking to your subconscious mind. So everything is intentional. He is meant to yell that way. He's meant to say things and, the tone that he says it in, because he has found a formula and a method to get you into that hypnotic state and rewire your subconscious mind and beliefs at your root. So his voice actually helps you to transcend your brain. Like, it really immediately gets you into that space of, I'm bigger than my body and there's a spirit within me, and I'm connected to the universe, to God, to source, to creator, to my soul. Like, I find that after a while you get used to his voice. And like for me, when I do any other meditations, I find like I drop in a little slower, because his voice, when he yells at me, for some reason I just like immediately go someplace else, so my only advice is, if you get frustrated and you just want to give up, I would say, instead of doing it every day, maybe give yourself like the chance to do it every other day, maybe 3 times a week, and then you can increase it to 4 or 5. So you don't have to be all or nothing. Like, you can take it slow. You can give yourself grace, give yourself compassion, be kind to yourself. You're not in a rush. Like, it's all about enjoying the process. So if you want to give Dr. Joe another try, I highly recommend it, because I am done with my 60-day journey. I don't do his meditations every day now, but I do it like every other day because it's still powerful. It's still one of my favorite meditations. I recommend it to everyone, but I know it's not for everyone. So yeah, just listen to yourself.